Looking for the perfect side hustle, no matter your age? From teens to retirees, there's something for everyone. In this video, we're breaking down 13 amazing side hustles you can start at any stage of life. Let's dive in. Before we continue, hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm will make it available for other people like you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support us. Age 13 to 17. These are the hustle years. As a teenager, you can start the following side hustles. These are easy to start side hustle. Number 1. Online tutoring for kids. Teens who excel in subjects like math or English can tutor younger students online. It's a simple way to earn and sharpen your teaching skills. Number 2. Reselling on eBay or Depop. Love fashion or tech? Buy secondhand items and flip them online for profit. This is another great side hustle for teenager. You can earn from $200 to $350 every month from this side hustle. Number 3. YouTube Shorts or TikTok creation. If you're creative, start a Shorts or TikTok account. Share your talents, hobbies, or funny moments and grow an audience. When these accounts are monetized, you can make up to $1,000 to $4,000 every month. Age 18 to 25. These are the growth years. If you are from 18 years to 25 years old, you can start the following side hustles. Freelancing, writing, design, coding. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to offer skills like design, writing, or coding. These platforms help people earn cash by using their online skills to render jobs. There are so many jobs you can do here. You can earn up to $100 to $400 per job, depending on what skill you are offering. The number 2 side hustle you can start as from age 18 to 25 is social media management. You can help small businesses grow online by running their Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook accounts. Also, engaging with the customer and provide support to the customers can be another way of earning. You can earn as $200 to $500 per month based on your agreement with the business or organization. The number 3 side hustle you can start as from age 18 to 25 is starting print-on-demand store. You can start by launching a t-shirt or mug business using print-on-demand platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. No inventory, no hassle. Easy and convenient way to earn from your bedroom. As from age 26 to 35, these are the building years. You can start as an affiliate marketer or blogger. These two work hand in hand. You can build a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media page. Recommend products and earn through affiliate commissions. A very great side hustle. The specific amount you can earn depends on the affiliate website that pays the commission. Another great side hustle to start is from age 26 to 35 years is Airbnb or Turo hosting. If you have an extra room or car, list it on Airbnb or Turo and earn while you sleep. Cozy, but yet a great way to earn money. Another great side hustle to start is from age 26 to 35 years is online coaching or courses. Turn your skills into coaching or digital courses. You can teach fitness, finance, parenting, caregiving, whatever you're great at. This is a great side hustle that keeps you in an interactive session with people and also a great way to earn money. The specific amount you can earn from this side hustle depends on what you tend to offer. As for age 36 to 50 years, these are the stability years. One of the side hustle you can start at this age is consulting in your field of expertise or experience. Use your work experience to offer part-time consulting. Businesses are willing to pay for your expertise. It is a very convenient side hustle. You can earn up to $100 to $200 per hour. Another great side hustle you can start at age 36 to 50 is real estate side hustling. You can explore rental property investing or wholesaling. It's a long-term play that builds wealth over time. Over time and years, you can then become a full-time real estate investor. You can earn as from $2,000 to $10,000 every month. As from age 51 plus, these are freedom years. One of the side hustles you can start from age of 51 plus can be writing and self-publishing. Share your knowledge by writing ebooks or guides. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle make it easy to publish. A great side hustle if you are above 51 years of age. You can write on your so many things. Another side hustle you can do is from the age of 51 plus is handmade crafts or vintage resale. You can turn your hobby into cash. Sell handmade items or vintage treasures on Etsy or eBay. Great way of keeping you body working and at the same time earning some extra cash. No matter your age, there's a side hustle that fits your lifestyle and skills. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your side income grow. Which side hustle fits your age and goals best? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly wealth tips.